to get a Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to change dates and times format in Windows 11. For that, first open the Settings app by pressing Windows plus I key on the keyboard. Then select here Time and Language. Then click on Language and Region. Then scroll down and click on this one Administrative Language Settings option. Switch to Formats tab here. Here you can click on this one Additional Settings link button. Here you will find this one Date tab. Click on this one. Here select Short Date and enter your desired format such as m dot d dot yy. Then switch to the time tab. Here enter change short date according to your needs such as HHMMTT. Then click on this one apply button. You can see on the taskbar it will immediately change your time and date formats. Click OK. Thanks for watching this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it. And if you love this video and want to share with your friends, keep sharing. Bye bye.